All right, ladies and gentlemen, today I'm going to be showing you how to do the brakes and rotors on a Saturn Ion. For the most part, this process is pretty simple. For the most part, first you want to start off taking off the lug nuts, then jack up the tire. With me, in my situation, the tire is over there. I'm using it to hold up the vehicle, and I use the 19 millimeter. You can use the tire iron in the trunk, or you can use the crossbar. After that, find a good spot. Since I'm working on the hill, I'm gonna use that cross member right there on the frame, then go from there. The bolts, take off the pads. If you're just doing a pad swap, 9/16. To take off the caliper bracket, it's gonna be 15 millimeters. After that, remove your rotor, add your new rotor, add your new pads, make sure you compress the piston, and you're done.